To be the best vlogger ever. They're gonna be like, Daniel, who? Start the vlog, let's go.
All right. What up everyone, I'm David. We just started this vendor last night actually. I stayed a little bit late. A little bit about the material, very different than like Avery. So with Avery, it's kind of just a little bit more like rubbery. You could kind of just work with the flow on it. But with this one, it's a little bit more brittle, so you need a little bit more heat to make things work. I would honestly say you need probably like 2 or 3 installers just to kind of help you lay stuff and just kind of pull it the right way. But as you guys can see, it looks just like paint. Very nice finish. And corners came out really, really good. The tack on it isn't as tacky as I expected it to be. But for the most part, it's actually a very good film. So far I like it. We're gonna see how it works with like all the other stuff. And now we're gonna go on the other side and we're gonna see how it goes.
All right, so David actually started working here a couple months ago. It's the 3rd month actually. Yesterday was his 3rd month working, right? And you guys know that I wasn't here for a while. Then I went to just editing and not really filming here. Then I had my surgery. So he hasn't really been on the camera or behind the camera of me filming. So we're getting him into it. I think he's doing pretty good. Give him some motivation down below.
Be nice to me.
He's a good rapper. This guy's a good rapper. But anyways, like he said, we're gonna move over to this side of the fender since this guy wants to stay here till 2 o'clock in the morning and work. And we're gonna knock this out for the 2nd video of this series.
So we were wrapping this fender and unfortunately there's like a defect in the material. I don't know if you guys could see it.
Don't right there. Okay, they can see it.
Yeah.
Are you just chomping away while we're trying to film? You be like a horse. All right.
So we thought it was hair, but it actually turns out it's like in the back. And we try to get it out, but we're not sure even what it is, so.
I think you should show trying to get it because it looks like hair.
It looks like hair, but it's actually,
looks like hair,
if it was hair, you could just kind of get your blade and just take it off, but it's not doing anything, so.
So now what are we doing?
It's not too much of a big deal, but the thing that sucked was that it was like right here, right in the like dead center of the fender. So we could just take it off. As noticed, I was spraying the ground a little bit, and that's just to kind of avoid all like the dust particles that goes inside the wrap. So with this wrap, it's like really staticky. That's what I noticed when I first started working with it. And if it's very staticky, it could really like attract the dust particles. So if it does that, then the backing's gonna get all dirty, and then the whole panel's gonna get dirty. So we're gonna have to redo things. So it's just kind of like a trick that I learned just to kind of minimize that risk. Alright guys, so we finished wrapping up the fender and now we're going to move on to the bumper. So kind of just like an idea of where I'm going to put my inlays. I got one right up over here. And I'm probably going to do another one like probably like right here on the top part. And then possibly just do one right here. And the reason why I'm doing this is just because, you know, with wrap, you can't really just do everything one piece. You really have to kind of figure out where your seams go and just like hide them as best as you can. So that's the purpose of the inlays, is just to kind of make sure that they hold up for the long run.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
David.
That's part of this fucking bullshit.
Hey, we don't see a lot of you on the channel anymore.
I know, it's like I don't exist.
He's like the little, what is it called? The little stepchild that's like in the cave and shit. Yeah.
Me talking about finding some money, let's go. As soon as I found that, I flipped that. I'm a little bit different, they get it.
Dang, look who came in the shop today.
Are you gonna try the fancy?
Sup, fool?
Well,
I didn't know you were talking to me. I thought you were talking. I was like, who?
Everyone's here all day, but not you.
But I'm here and I'm getting more shit done than you guys got done all day.
Sign up for the gym today?
Hey, go to the gym this morning?
Did you sign up for the gym today?
Bro, I'll out push up you any day.
Oh, that's a challenge.
Let's go.
Ah!
This motherfucker isn't gonna start.
Who's counting?
That's 30. And David's still going.
Hey,
yo.
you behind me though.
No,
16, 17, 18. Ah.
keep going, bro. Dang. Yeah, you're old, man.
We're getting ready to lay the first major panel with the inozetek film. Is that how you say it? Inozetek. I need to be able to say it. We're this far into the vlog and I still don't know.
You know what? I'm probably saying it wrong, to be honest with you.
Yeah, well
Probably.
shit. Let's just call it inozetek.
Alright.
We'll meet in the middle. We're getting ready to lay our first major panel. We're gonna do the bumper. All the inlays have been laid. On this bumper is very complex, so a couple things had to be done before we laid the big panel. We'll show you how that comes together, but right now, more than anything, I really wanna show you guys how the film actually lays, how it glasses, how it stretches, and how it actually adheres to this bumper here. So we don't know. We're gonna do it with you guys, and hopefully it's I didn't really see a problem glassing. I thought that it was pretty normal. What'd you think?
Definitely need a lot of people.
Need a lot of heat.
Yeah.
You need a lot of heat for sure because the material's a lot thicker. That's what I noticed. I noticed the material's a lot thicker. So because the material's a lot thicker, you do have to use more heat to actually get it to glass. But I don't think that was a bad thing. I think the biggest concern right now is how is the air release going to be? Are we going to be able to push the air through without it getting caught in it? Some of these more, I don't want to say, the more reputable brands, the brands that have been around, they have an air release channel in the material, so you can basically have bubbles and push them out to the edges. So we're gonna find out right now if that's the same case with this. If it is, that should be, it'll be a good thing. So let's find out.
What's up, guys?
Do you need to do some push-ups?
Why can't I just be drunk?
Do you need to do some push-ups?
No, I need to get
All right.
drunk.
Right. No, you don't need to. Ready? Go.
What's up, everyone? So it's been a couple of days since we wrapped this bumper, and as you guys can see, it's actually holding up very, very well. You would think that in little small areas where I did the inlays, it would normally peel back, but luckily with this material, it's been really, really well, despite the fact that it has low tack. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave us some comments for the next wrap giveaway, which should be coming up pretty soon at 50,000 plus subscribers, somewhere around there.
I think we're at 250,000 right now.
Yeah, like 250,000, so it could be you. So make sure to go ahead and just give us a comment, hit that like button and let us know. Thanks, and stay tuned with us next time.
God, that sucked. Try it again. Try it one more time. Let's try it one more time, but you got that. You got it. That shit was bad, Papa. Like, I don't want to edit that.
No?
Yo, that is bad. I don't know what you said. They're probably looking at the camera like, what the fuck?
Alright guys, don't forget, every 100,000 subscribers we give away a free car wrap anywhere in the world. So go ahead and make sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, and catch us next time on the next video. Thanks.
And don't forget to subscribe.
I already said that. Don't forget to subscribe.
I'm gonna use that. That's
Where's the subscribe button? Right here?
No.
Right here.
The other side.
Oh.
No,
Right
fool.
Where?
Up. Other. No.
Where the hell?
Oh, later, bro.
Bye.